We've been here 2 years. It's a brand new store. It opened 2 years ago. We just recently put in the RCA LEDs. Prior, we had just the standard drop-in fluorescent lights. And the difference is, one, the cost savings. Over time, I think 6 months or less, we'll be able to pay for those cost savings. And the other thing is, through my supplier and vendors, the products really light up and pop, and it's much easier for everyone to see and read, and plus it really illuminates the packaging and the color of the packaging. It eliminates a lot of maintenance. It eliminates a lot of having a ladder or a bulb go out, and it never fails. You have a bulb or two go out, you replace them, and you put everything away, and the next week you got another bulb or two out. So this is a much more cost-effective, better lighting, and don't have the maintenance issue. The RCA LEDs, in my opinion, are the best, and definitely the way to go. And I would highly encourage anyone to do it. And you can always prolong the bulb situation, but they're all not going to go out at once. And I've been in numerous different gas stations where a bulb or two is out and it just looks tacky. And in this situation, they're all on, it's all lit. It's definitely the way to go.